Hi guys, I'm Chirag Shivalkar from High-Tech Outsourcing Services. Today I'm gonna talk to you all about Google's upcoming changes in the month of April. The changes to make web and search results more mobile friendly. I'll also tell you what this means to your brand, your business, and of course all this through your website.
High-Tech Outsourcing Services, your trusted business partner.
Everyone knows about the impact of Panda and Penguin update on business websites. Tens and thousands of websites were dropped from the first pages of search results due to Google algorithm change. In a recent event in Munich, a member from Google's webmaster team said that the new mobile-friendly algorithm change is likely to have impact on search rankings. And believe me, they are gonna be more severe as compared to Panda or Penguin update. The date 21st of April this year, that is 2015, Google expects all the websites to become mobile friendly, which clearly means that any website or even a single page from your website should be and has to be accessible and fully functional for every user on their smartphones or tablets. As we all know, the sales of mobile phones, mobile devices, or you can say any of the handheld devices, they have outnumbered the sale and usage of PC and laptops. Google's growing focus on mobile search is to ensure that the customers find relevant information through their smartphones or tablets conveniently, easily you can say. This makes more sense when you come to know that more than 60% of Google searches originate from mobile devices. Well, let's do one thing. Let me share some more statistics that will make you feel, or rather make you understand why having a mobile friendly website is so very mandatory and necessary. 60% of the Google searches originate from a mobile device. 61% of the users are unlikely to return to a mobile site they had trouble with. Mind it. 40% are inclined to visit competitors' mobile friendly site instead when they don't get relevant information from your website. 50% of the youth who've been using handheld devices are ready to give up caffeine, the most loved thing for them. And yes, that is for their mobile phone. 80% of websites that are more than 2 years old are not mobile ready. Also, if you have a relatively new site, there are chances that you are not prepared for this Google update. Trust me on this. So the bottom line for you as a business owner is that your website must be optimized for mobile search, or you risk not being found by your prospective clients. While no one is sure about additional factors that might get included in this change or how dramatically this change will affect the website search visibility, it is certainly anticipated that majority of non-optimized sites on the web will certainly see significant decrease in search visibility, which is alarming. Prepare yourself, brace yourself for the algorithm change that impacts Google search results in just 2 weeks from now. Now the question is, what should you do? And most importantly, how would you do that? That's where High-Tech Outsourcing assists you. Here are some quick changes which we suggest to optimize your website. Ask your webmaster whether your site is mobile ready and make sure you take a look at every page on the site and not just the home page. If you do not have someone who regularly maintains your site, you can do a simple test yourself using your smartphone. Yeah, you can use your smartphone, log into your website, try and see what. Here it comes. Does the page fit on the device in a way that makes it easy to read and navigate through? Point number 1. Point number 2, is the text too small or the links are too tiny, or do you have to scroll sideways to read the content? Point number 3, how are the graphics displayed? Point number 4, do your videos play correctly? If in any case you experience issues with any of the points that I suggested, which means the website is not mobile friendly and is not mobile ready, You need to find the actual cause to it and get some of the pages redesigned by the webmaster if required, but really quickly. You need to find out the actual cause to it and get some of the pages redesigned by the webmaster if required, real quickly. You have very few days left to optimize your business website. Upon making your website smartphone and tablet responsive, don't forget to resubmit the sitemap to Google through your webmaster's account. That is mandatory. Google will then recrawl your website and let you know if you have any additional pages that need optimization. Yeah. Google's mobile bot should crawl your site, because if Google can't see it, your prospective clients can't see you. Sounds complicated? Fine. Let's make it more easy for you. The web team at Hi-Tech Outsourcing Services have developed a test program that determines in just a few minutes if your business website is mobile friendly and whether it is acceptable as per the new algorithm rules or not. Email us your website address and we will test it for you. It is totally free, so do not wait. Just do it right away. If your site needs to be optimized for mobile, our team will send across a proposal. We've been creating mobile friendly sites for more than a decade, and whether you want mobile responsive site or a separately hosted mobile version of your main site, we at Hi-Tech Outsourcing can help you. Certainly. Whether you decide to talk to our team or not, I'd still suggest you take some action on this upcoming algorithmic change immediately. This is not one of those things that you can get away or rather get around to. It may take several weeks for this full effective algorithmic change to be implemented. But there is no doubt that Google wants mobile users to be happy, and it is up to you to get this job done. This is Chirag Shivalkar. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to talking to you soon.